it's me, Cherry. Guess what? It's time to go back to school. Yay! Today I'll show you some cute stuff for school. Are you ready? Let's see. First, look at my new standing backpack. Wow! A huge, sparkly unicorn. It's my favorite birthday gift. Feel like a magical friend coming with me to school. Do you like it? And know what? It had a secret.
What?
Look, the unicorn can transform into a beautiful mermaid. Ta-da! So I have 2 backpacks to change every day. So, what do I have in this magic backpack? Let's check it out! I have a lunchbox, a notebook, wow, princesses, a pencil case, and a water bottle. And what else? A pair of designer shoes. There are some of my old school supplies. But they're still really good, so we shouldn't waste them. With a little magic from Unicorn, we're going to turn them into something shiny and new. Ready? 1, 2, 3, abracadabra! Wow, it's gorgeous! Ooh, I love these shoes. And here are my awesome headbands I make myself. You can watch my short video to see how to do them. Now check out the new school outfit my mom got for me. It's time to go back, we're off to school. Grab your backpack, cause school is cool. Join Cherry and friends, we'll play and learn with laughter, fun, and things to turn. Back to school, it's time to go back to school. With books and pens and colors bright, we'll draw and count with pure delight. Sing songs, make friends, and games we'll play. Let's have some fun the Cherry way. Back to school, it's time to go back to school. So, that's all my stuff for the new school year. What are your favorite things to bring back to school? Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you had fun. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe my channel so you never miss any of my new videos. Thank you and see you guys. Bye!